Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a delicious journey through the world of French pastries. French patisserie is not just about satisfying your sweet tooth, it's an art form. From the delicate layers to the exquisite flavors, each pastry tells a story of craftsmanship and patience. First up, the iconic croissant. Ah, the buttery and flaky goodness that has won hearts worldwide. It's a morning staple in France, and once you take a bite, you'll understand why. The layers are created by folding butter into the dough multiple times, making it light, airy, and oh so delicious. Next, let's talk about the macaron. These colorful, bite-sized cookies are a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Made with almond flour, egg whites, and sugar, macarons are sandwiched together with ganache, buttercream, or jam. They come in a variety of flavors, from classic vanilla to exotic lychee rosé. Now, prepare yourself for the tarte tatin. This upside-down caramelized apple tart is a true masterpiece. Legend has it, it was created by accident by the Tatin sisters. The apples are cooked in caramel, then baked with a buttery pastry crust on top. Once inverted, you're left with a golden glossy creation that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Have you ever had an eclair? This long cream-filled pastry is a favorite at patisseries everywhere. Made from choux dough, it's baked until golden and then filled with rich pastry cream. The final touch? A shiny glaze of chocolate icing that makes it impossible to resist. Can we take a moment to appreciate the mille-feuille? Also known as the Napoleon, this pastry consists of 3 layers of puff pastry, alternating with 2 layers of pastry cream. The top is traditionally dusted with powdered sugar or glazed with fondant. Each bite is a symphony of textures and flavors. And who could forget the madeleines? These small, shell-shaped sponge cakes are perfect for tea time. With a hint of lemon zest and a soft, buttery texture, they are simplicity at its finest. Just one bite takes you straight to a cozy French cafe. Finally, let's end with the king of French pastries, the Mont Blanc. Named after the highest peak in the Alps, this dessert features a mound of chestnut puree, whipped cream, and a delicate meringue base. It's a rich, sweet treat that's perfect for special occasions. French pastries are more than just desserts. They're a celebration of artistry, tradition, and flavor. So next time you find yourself in a patisserie, take a moment to appreciate the love and skill that goes into each creation. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Bon appétit!